Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today's video gonna start it off without an intro because I forgot to film an intro and I'm also kind of shy to record when I'm with other people. So I'm just gonna do a voiceover. Today we're gonna be going to Makati because a friend of ours invited us. So we're gonna be spending the whole day with her, and I just wanted to show you some clips and snips of the trip. So hope you guys enjoy it. Look at this view of Makati. We just arrived here in the condo. This is the condo of my mom's friend. It's really cute actually. So we were originally planning on having a swim here at the pool. Unfortunately, we ran out of time because we had to go do some errands at Okada first before we would be going to swim. So we couldn't go through with that. Nevertheless, I was still happy that we were going to Okada because the last time I wasn't able to show you around as much as I wanted to because I didn't have time to go around, and also it was very dark. Though I did manage to vlog the experience and the rooms we stayed at, so go watch it if you haven't yet. Alright, so right now we are at the entrance, as you can see. We are now in the lobby and just look at this. Like, it's so breathtaking. I want to have my house decorated like this in the future if I can afford it, that is. By the way, this is like the VIP lobby. So extravagant. Even the hallways are so different from the ones that we stayed in our rooms last a few months ago. So you can really tell this is like a more exclusive side. And this is the elevator area. It's so beautiful. It looks like a ballroom already. And even the elevators have mirrors. So well decorated as well. And yes, of course, I had to grab the opportunity of taking some really cool selfies in this long mirror with this beautiful, elegant, classy background for my Instagram. Ooh, look at this view. It's looking down the road that we passed by earlier. Right now, we are walking in the main lobby, and then over there is the casino, a gigantic Christmas tree, and look at those beautiful columns. Look at the hallway of the comfort room. I will most definitely be decorating my house like this. And over here you can see there's a waiting area. It's like a restaurant within a lobby. Sorry I'm not able to film a better view of the waiting area because the seats are so high up and I don't want to sneak in the middle of them and then put my phone and then like try to film. I don't know, I just don't want to get in trouble. I'm scared. Probably these hallways will be filled with stores in the future, but right now they're pretty empty and just a few stalls, but they're closed. And as you can see over there at the end, there's like a green metallic glass, and that's like a really exclusive fine dining restaurant that they have here, and probably that's where most of the guests are eating. Maybe someday in the future we can go here and try it, and then I'll bring you guys with me.
Once a week lang siya.
Ese es el mismo que nos probamos la
Can you
vez
wash?
pasada.
Inside? Can you wash? Once a week only. And 1 year, ma'am. 1 year use na siya. Because
Once
this,
a month.
Once a week. use.
Once a week.
And then good for 1 year na po. Maganda yan, ma'am, sa mga blackheads, whiteheads.
6,000.
Seven.
Wala discount.
Hapon! We have discount.
We're in this very bougie beauty and skincare store.
It's nice, the vanity, no? I like the vanity.
We are on our way to the parking area, and as you can see in this hallway, there's supposed to be some stores. There are a few open, but you know what's up. It's all very expensive. We have a nice store open. This is a Joe Malone store. Alright, you guys, so I guess that would conclude this very short random video that I filmed, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and share the video to your friends. I will see you on the next one. Bye!